It's negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside. While my neighbors are spending $200 a week on grocery store vegetables, I'm harvesting fresh greens from my garden for free, and they taste better than summer. I've been growing food for 12 years here in Zone 6. Today, I'm showing you 11 cold-hardy crops that anyone can grow, even complete beginners. After this video, you'll know exactly what to plant, when to plant it, and where to buy everything. Let's get started. Why bother with winter gardening? 3 reasons. 1. Save over $2,000 per year for a family of 4. 2. Winter vegetables are sweeter, have fewer pests, and better flavor than summer crops. 3. They require less maintenance than summer gardens, perfect for busy people. Here's the secret. When temperatures drop, plants convert starch into natural sugars. It's their survival mechanism. The result? Vegetables that are twice as sweet as their summer counterparts. We're going from easiest to most rewarding. For each crop, I'll give you growing tips, where to buy seeds, and at the end, a free downloadable cheat sheet. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Spinach. This is the perfect choice for beginners. Hardy down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and most importantly, super easy to grow. One bunch of store-bought spinach costs $4.99, lasts maybe 3 days. Your garden spinach, you harvest exactly what you need, the rest keeps growing. That's $20 saved per week, which equals $1,000 per year from spinach alone. How to grow? Direct seed into the ground, space them 3 inches apart. Best planting time? Late August in zones 5 and 6, early September in zones 7 and 8. After 40 days, start harvesting. Direct seed, space 3 inches apart. Plant August through September, depending on your zone. Harvest in 40 days. It's cut and come again, meaning it regrows after cutting. Recommended variety? Bloomsdale Longstanding. Link in the description below. On to crop number 2. Number 2. Kale. If spinach is beginner-friendly, kale is bulletproof. Hardy down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the amazing part. The colder it gets, the sweeter kale becomes. Here's what's magical. When temperatures drop below 32 degrees, kale converts its starch into sugar. The first time I tasted kale after a frost, I was shocked. Naturally sweet, no bitterness like summer kale. Growing tips. Plant 12 to 18 inches apart. Varieties matter. Russian kale is the toughest, grows in zones 4 through 9. Dazzling blue is beautiful but less cold hardy. For beginners, choose Russian kale. 100% success rate. Russian kale, hardy to 5 degrees, prolific, best for beginners. Dazzling blue, hardy to 20 degrees, gorgeous color, moderate skill level needed. Crop number 3 is kids' favorite vegetable. Can you guess? Swiss chard. This is my kid's favorite. Why? The colors. Bright Lights variety has red, yellow, orange, and pink stems, like a rainbow in your garden. Swiss chard is both beautiful and nutritious, packed with vitamins K, A, and C. You can eat both the leaves and the stems. 1 plant equals 2 vegetables. Perfect for families. Hardy down to 15 degrees. Plant 6 inches apart, 50 to 60 days until harvest. Pro tip: mulch heavily around the base. It prevents frost heave, which is when freezing and thawing pushes plants out of the ground. Arugula, the fastest crop on this list. 30 days from seed to table. Perfect for impatient people. The flavors: peppery, slightly spicy. Winter arugula is less bitter, great for salads or on pizza. And it regrows after cutting. Hardy to 25 degrees, zones 5 through 7, plant late August. Zones 8 and 9, plant October. It regrows 3 to 4 times per season. 4 crops down, 7 to go. Stop. We've covered 4 crops. If you only grew these 4, you'd have fresh salad greens all winter long. Last year, Sarah from Zone 6, a complete beginner, followed just these 4 crops and saved $800 in 3 months. Comment below if you want more detailed guides. Spinach saves you $1,000 per year. Kale is bulletproof. Swiss chard is the family favorite. Arugula gives fast results in 30 days. Total potential, over $2,000 saved per winter. The next 4 crops are advanced level. If you've mastered the first 4, ready for the next level? These are hardier, more productive, and one of them is extremely rare. Few people know about it. Crop number 5, Mâche, also called corn salad. This is what I meant by rare. 90% of people don't know about it, but it's the #1 cold hardy salad green. Hardy down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Sweet, tender, buttery texture. Michelin-star restaurants charge $18 per plate for Mâche salad. You grow it free. Growing trick, direct seed densely because germination rate is only 60 to 70%. Space 4 inches apart. Best source? Johnny's Selected Seeds, link below.
Crop number 6 is a combo Asian greens. This includes bok choy, tatsoi, mizuna, and mustard greens. Why group them together? They have identical growing conditions. If your family eats a lot of Asian cuisine, this is a must-have. Bok choy for soups, mizuna for salads, mustard greens for stir-fry. One bed equals endless recipes. Growing tips: plant mixed seeds all at once. Bok choy is hardy to 20 degrees. Tatsoi, mizuna, and mustard greens are all hardy to 15 degrees. Harvest baby greens after 25 days or let them mature longer. Bok choy, 20 degrees, mild flavor. Tatsoi, 15 degrees, sweet. Mizuna, 15 degrees, spicy. Mustard, 15 degrees, peppery.
Lettuce, but not regular lettuce. Winter lettuce varieties are specifically cold hardy. Big difference. Top 3 varieties. Winter density, hardy to 20 degrees, grows like romaine. Arctic King, hardy to 15 degrees, butterhead type. Tango, hardy to 25 degrees, leaf lettuce, fastest growing. Personal favorite? Arctic King. The flavor is outstanding. 1 head of lettuce at the grocery store costs $3.99. 1 seed packet costs $3.50 and grows 500 plants. Do the math. Crop number 8 is my personal favorite. Collard greens. This is my personal favorite. Why? I've harvested these collards through 2 feet of snow. The plants did not die. Hardy from 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the tank of the list. In zones 7 through 9, you can harvest all winter long. Zones 5 and 6, still fine with mulch protection. Incredibly nutritious. Vitamin K, calcium, fiber. A southern staple food. Traditional recipe, slow cooked with bacon. Modern version, sautéed with garlic. Both are amazing. 8 crops done. You're doing amazing. Many people drop off here, but you're still here, which means you're serious about this. The final 3 crops are game changers. One of them saved me $300 in a single winter. Ready? Progress, 8 out of 11 complete, 73% done. You've already learned the easiest tier with 4 crops, the intermediate tier with 4 crops, growing tips for each, zone recommendations. Still to come, 3 game-changing crops, where to buy everything, free cheat sheet download. Quick, subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every week. Comment Winter Garden if you're following along. On to crop number 9. Crop number 9, parsnips. This is the crop that saved me $300. How? Parsnips need frost to taste good. Before frost, bitter. After frost, like candy. The starch-to-sugar conversion is extremely strong in parsnips. The first time I tried parsnip after frost, I couldn't believe it. Sweet like a sweet potato, but different texture. Growing tricks. Plant in August so they mature before frost. Then, leave them in the ground all winter. Mulch heavily, harvest when needed. It's a living refrigerator. 1 pound of parsnips at the grocery store costs $3.99. 1 seed packet costs $2.50 and grows 10 pounds worth. That's $30 to $40 value from a $2.50 investment. The math checks out. Carrots. Same concept as parsnips. Frost makes them sweeter, but carrots, easier to grow, faster to mature. Key point, variety selection is crucial. Napoli is fastest at 58 days with good flavor. Bolero is disease-resistant and stores longest. Scarlet Nantes is the sweetest, best for fresh eating. Common mistake? Planting summer varieties in winter equals failure. Wrong. Summer varieties crack in cold weather and taste bitter. Right. Winter varieties stay sweet, tender, with no splitting. Critical step, mulch before the ground freezes hard. 6 to 8 inches of straw or leaves. Why? It keeps the ground workable so you can harvest all winter. The final crop is the hero crop. If you only plant one thing, plant this. What is it? Garlic, the king of winter crops. Why is it the hero? Because garlic is set it and forget it. Plant once, harvest 8 months later. Zero maintenance. Timeline? Plant in October, harvest June to July next year. That's it. No watering in winter, no fertilizing. The plant just grows. 1 pound of garlic at the grocery store costs $5.99. 1 clove planted produces 8 to 10 bulbs, which equals $50 to $60 value. That's a 10 times return on investment. Plant in October, do nothing all winter through snow, rain, and freezing temperatures, then harvest in July. That's a 10 times return. 2 types. Hardneck has cold hardy, rich flavor. Softneck stores longer with mild flavor. Cold climates in zones 3 through 6, choose hardneck. Warm climates in zones 7 through 10, choose softneck. Plant cloves pointy side up, 6 inches apart, 2 inches deep. Done! Bonus benefit? In May, garlic shoots out scapes, green curly tops. Cut them and eat them. They taste like mild garlic, perfect for pesto. This is a bonus crop within the crop.
11 crops done, but one technique applies to all of them: mulching. Mulch is your insurance policy for winter gardening. No mulch, 50% of plants die. With mulch, 90% survive. Simple. No mulch means soil freezes hard, roots die, 50% survival rate. With mulch, soil stays workable, roots stay protected, 90% survival rate. Best materials. Straw is the #1 choice. Insulates best. $8 per bale covers 50 square feet. Shredded leaves are free. Rake them from your yard. Slightly less effective than straw, but still great. Wood chips are long-lasting. Good for paths, okay for beds. Apply 4 to 6 inches thick. Thicker equals better protection. Straw costs more, but rates 5 stars. It's the best. Leaves are free and rate 4 stars. Great option. Wood chips are moderately priced, rate 3 stars. Good choice. Timing is critical. Apply after the first light frost before hard freeze. Zone 5, late October. Zone 6, early November. Zone 7, mid-November. Zones 8 and 9, late November. Too early? Pests hide in the mulch. Too late? Ground is already frozen. Quick recap on mulching. 4 to 6 inches thick, applied after light frost but before hard freeze. That's it. This one step doubles your success rate. All 11 crops complete.
The number one question I get, where do I buy seeds? I get it. There's tons of information out there, but actual sources? Hard to find. So today, here's the complete shopping guide. Save this video, screenshot this guide. 3 options. Option 1, online suppliers that ship nationwide. Johnny's Selected Seeds at johnnyseeds.com. This is my number one choice. Baker Creek at rareseeds.com. They're heirloom specialists. High Mowing at highmowingseeds.com. Certified organic. Option 2, local nurseries. Find yours by searching Garden Center Near Me Zone and then your zone number. Ask specifically for winter varieties. Option 3, seed libraries. These are free. Go to seedlibrary.info to find local libraries. You borrow seeds, then return seeds after harvest. Online, johnnyseeds.com, use code WINTER10 for 10% off. rareseeds.com, highmowingseeds.com. Local, search Garden Center Near Me. Ask for winter hardy varieties. Free, seedlibrary.info for borrowing seeds. Want a complete shopping list? I made a free cheat sheet. It includes all 11 crops, recommended varieties, supplier links plus discount codes, a zone-specific planting calendar, and the mulching guide. Link is in the first comment and in the description. Grab it while it's free. Free download, 11 cold hardy crops cheat sheet. Includes complete shopping list, variety recommendations, supplier links plus discount codes, planting calendar for all zones, complete mulching guide. Link in the first comment below. You made it! 11 cold hardy crops from easiest to most rewarding. If you're a beginner, start with the 4 easiest: spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. Experienced? Add mâche, Asian greens, and collards. Want return on investment? Parsnips, carrots, and garlic are moneymakers. Any combination you choose, you cannot fail if you follow these tips. Action steps. 1. Download the free cheat sheet in the first comment. 2. Subscribe. Next video, I'll show you exactly how to prep beds for winter planting. 3. Comment below. Which crop will you try first? I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening.